At Goldin Metals, we take pride in helping you bring your projects to life, starting from raw materials and building to your exact specifications. This is where it all begins. Using high-quality galvanized steel, we bend and shape the 2.5-inch square tubing that forms the backbone of your carport. We also weld sleeves to the base and drill drainage holes so your legs will fit in with ease and to aid in protection from the elements. Next, we roll form the panels. Roofing panels made right here on the Gulf Coast. Most use Goldin panel, but our panel may be used too. Each panel is custom made to your order, so nothing is produced until you tell us exactly what you need. Now that the materials are ready, we're heading to our on-site location to show you how to assemble your carport step by step. Start by laying out the pre-formed base. Each piece is pre-bent and pre-cut to your specifications, making setup easy and precise. Next, insert your trusses into the leg posts and place them into the pre-welded sleeves of your base. Secure each connection using Tech 5 screws. Make sure your legs are standing at a true 90-degree angle before moving on. Repeat this process for each frame section until your carport structure is complete. Now you're ready for the roof. You have two options here. If you're installing fully sheeted sidewalls, begin on either side of the carport and work your way up and over the peak of the roof. If you're doing partially open sidewalls, start at the peak of your carport with the first Goldin panel centered at the top. If you'd like more detailed instructions, see our separate How to Install Goldin Panel video for a full walkthrough. For partially open sidewalls, as you install each panel, wait to fasten the last edge until the next panel is tucked underneath. This overlap creates a watertight seal and eliminates the need for ridge or hip caps since the panels bend cleanly over the top. For fully sheeted sidewalls, fasten each sheet as you go. Once you reach the peak, begin tucking the panels under the previous ones, just like the partially open design. Use 1¼ metal frame screws to secure each panel to your frame, and 7/8-inch stitch screws to join the panels where they meet. Continue until frame is covered. To finish off your project, install head flashing and outside angle trim. These not only give your carport a clean, professional look, they also help protect it from the elements. At Goldin Metals, every piece of material is custom-made for your project, with quality, precision, and the best prices on the Gulf Coast. Goldin Metals, quality materials, expert service, and custom fabrication made just for you. For materials, tools, and expert advice, Goldin Metals has you covered. Visit us online or stop by one of our convenient Gulf Coast locations today.